I'm going to confess up front. I was probably not as good to this product as I could have been. It's a Bubba bottle. I've had it for about 3 years and it served me well. I've put this thing through a lot of work. The only wear and tear I've seen is a little bit on the straw here, little teeth marks or whatever, my fault. Even though the straw was tolerable and I could actually swap it out for a metal one, I was fine with that. The one thing that I couldn't stand is these little rubber seals. This is an essential part of this cup. Without the rubber seal, the whole system falls apart. I probably could have cleaned this a little better than I did. It's stained and it kind of looks moldy, so I've got to replace it. But do you know how hard it is to find one of these things? There's 2 ways I'm going to show you to replace this essential component of this cup system. The easy way and the better way. Well, this is easy for you, but it took a little bit of trial and error to get to this point. You clean it, the rubber seal goes on like that. And these things will break, you might lose the top. Most of the seals you'll see on Amazon will say, doesn't replace Bubba. This one didn't say did, and it didn't say it didn't. So I took a chance. But if you see here, they line up pretty close. Now this is kind of a rubber latex, maybe silicone. This is silicone. This has 2 lines to help it seal. This has 2 lines. This came in a set of 4 for about $10. So $2.50 a piece for these, probably worth it. They feel a little different. They're new. No, they're about the same size. And so it will go on here like this, pretty tight. And then the whole test is right here. That's pretty good. Probably slightly not as tight as a new seal is, but for 90, 95%, maybe even 98% of the time that you'll use this cup, if it falls over, it's not gonna come out. In fact, we'll put the straw in there. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. I'm gonna do a better job of washing these, and I'll post down below in case you're interested. This is the easy way, just buy them. This is the better way. This is the way it comes. Bubba will give you a brand new, identical cup for free. You don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to do anything except for fill out their form, send them some pictures. I'll show you how to do that. They don't sell this. They don't sell this. They don't sell this separately. I just wanted one of these. And I would have been happy if they would have sent me, even one for free. They don't do that. They send you a brand spanking new mug with a brand spanking new seal. And you get to keep your old cup. Awesome is that? So I've solved this problem and I've got a new one. 0 cost. You don't need your receipt. You just have to go through some steps to get yourself a replacement player. Let's go through the steps. It takes you about 5 minutes. Maybe just slightly more than ordering these to get yourself a new Bubba. First thing you want to do is type in bubbabrands.com. You want to go to the support and service tab and go down to warranty. And it will give you this Bubba guarantee, what's covered and what's not covered. Material issues seems to be the gasket. So go down here and you can kind of vaguely see this form. So you click on that and it will get you to the contact us. You fill this in with your name, email address, reason for contacting. For me, it was need parts for my product. In my case, I've purchased a bunch of Bubbas, but I believe this one I got from a big box store, put it in. When I purchased it, I guessed I got close. Model number, described the issue. I talked a little bit about the gasket going bad. And then I had a couple pictures that I uploaded. And then you submit. I guess you could call and do all this directly, but I found it easier just to go with the website here. In a day or so, you should get something from their customer care team. In this case, it was Ruchi for me, and what they're looking for in order to fulfill the warranty. They'll also provide you a case number. I responded back, showed them the ingredients on the protein shake I was using. I took a picture of the bottom like they asked. This is the model number of the cup I have, and I think these are indications of when it was made. October 20 is 2020. Here's a picture I provided of the outside of the bottle as per their request.
a rubber seal on the top. That's not crusty things I couldn't clean off. That's actual eat into the seal. After I sent them the additional pictures that they wanted, they quickly came back to me within a day, confirmed that they got their pictures, and said they would send me a replacement bottle within 7 to 10 days. And they give you a little bit of guidance on how you might prevent this from happening again. Probably was my fault, but still was amazed that they came back as quickly as they did. On the same day, they confirmed they were going to send me a replacement, provided this shipping information, FedEx Home, didn't cost me anything, shipping free, subtotal free, free. Bubba Products, you are a really great company.
Nowadays, this kind of customer service is a rare treat, and I think I'm a Bubba fan for life. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how to get your money's worth on items, filling out warranties, home repairs, making and breaking stuff, designs of all kinds, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what great deals you're gonna see.